Do you like just relaxing at the piano and having some easy things to play and let your mind drift off? Well, today, let's check out a beautiful riff that features our left hand. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, as I would love to get monetized and to keep providing you with free tutorials. Let's begin with checking out the full riff. So let's step the left hand through, beginning on D, up a fifth, 8, 9, 10. Now when we play our 10 here, we're going to play an F here also with the 6th over the top. And continue up there with the 6th. So let's try that. And then we'll step down to the B flat in the left hand and continue to do the same pattern of 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. Keep the right hand in the same position and step up our 6th there as well. Then to C down here, down to that E. You see there both thumbs playing, and step up the 6th and then return to the D. And we might just go up and down there with our 6th there. Okay, let's put it all together. Let's make it a step easier now. If that one is a bit too tricky, let's just drop it back to this left hand and really feature that today. Bringing over our 9th and our 10th note over our octave, which is always 1 to 8. And then we'll just land with our F and play our Fs there together. B flat now, position. Same notes in the right hand. And then return back to them. One step easier again. Let's play that left hand, and we're just going to do to the octave this time. So make sure that you don't hold on your left hand. We don't want to hold on that pinky and get stuck there. Let it go, swing, and we're just going to go to the octave. So this one we'll play just the left hand and then answer with the right hand chord. So let's do a run now and put all the 3 versions together and then fiddle around with it and see what combinations you want to make up. Thanks so much for watching. Join me each Thursday for new videos and I'll catch you next time. Ta-da!